The creation of the Biodiversity database has represented a quantitative and qualitative leap forward in the study of Canary Islands biodiversity. Taking the present moment in time as a reference, we can predict that advances in this field will continue to grow exponentially. This initiative has provided a solid scientific foundation for environmental conservation policy in the Canary Islands.
Vertebrates, especially reptiles, went through an evolutionary radiation of species adapted to the varied island's habitat. As a result, each island has its own species or subspecies of lizard, skink, or gecko. There are even island endemic representatives of these three families. In the recent past, the Canaries were inhabited by giant lizards, near 150 centimeters long, now extinct. On Gran Canaria, larger than average lizards can also be seen all around the island.
Moreover, living fossil plants from the Tertiary geological period are still present in the island's laurel forest, Laudicimba. Based on vegetation, more than 70 different terrestrial ecological communities can be described for this ecoregion.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. 3 great ways you can eliminate waste and protect your environment. Waste and how we choose to handle it affects our world's environment. That is your environment. The environment is everything around you, including the air, water, land, plants, and man-made